your nails have been breaking for years, which holds you back from growing the beautiful natural nails that you desire, then my name is Ashley. I'm a personal nail coach who has coached over 100 women in growing and transforming their natural nails. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 common habits that are destroying your natural nails and what to do instead so you can finally grow the beautiful natural nails that you desire, just like my clients. Starting off with habit number 1, picking the skin around your nails, which I know is super surprising because picking the skin around your nails would seem like it would have no effect on them. But here's what I noticed that happens to my clients who do skin pick. So I once had a client who used to pick the skin around her nails, and when her nails started growing out, they would grow out beautifully. But after about a month and a half later, these dents start to appear on her natural nails. And once these dents grew out to the tip, there were much weaker parts of her natural nails, and they would split and break very easily. And here is why these dents appeared. Just like plant growth starts at the root, your nail growth starts at the roots as well. And anytime we are picking the skin at the base of our nails here, what we are doing is we are disrupting how the nail grows out. Because the skin in this area is becoming very irritated and puffy, the nail is not going to grow out properly. It's going to grow out with lines, it's going to grow out with dents, and of course, when the nail does not grow properly from the base, once it reaches a tip, it breaks a lot easier. But what I recommend doing instead of skin picking is getting one of these spinner rings and using them to keep your hands busy so you don't pick. Now, there are more steps involved in stop skin picking, and if you want a full video on that, leave a comment below. Now, the second common habit secretly destroying your nails is rough cuticle care, which again seems like it would have no effect on your nail growth, but I had a client once who had amazing progress in her nail journey. Her nails were super duper healthy, but after about 2-3 months, these white spots start appearing on her natural nails. And I, of course, was completely confused because her nails looked so healthy, but once we reviewed her nail ritual, we realized she was being way too rough with her cuticle care routine. You see, when you're using this tool at the base of your nails, one thing you have to keep in mind is that this is not only the newest nail growth on your nail, but it's also the softest. Now, if there's any rough treatment that leads to damage at the base of your nails, you are not going to notice it until your nail starts growing out and you see white spots like this, and white spots are a sign of nail damage and bruising. So the number one thing I recommend doing is to change the way you hold your tool to make being gentle with cuticle care as easy as possible. When I usually see clients do their cuticle routine at first when working with them, I tend to notice they hold their tools very upright like this. And why this is a problem is because when the tool is very high like this, it makes scraping and scratching the nail a lot easier. Instead, I recommend holding this tool at a flatter angle, 30 degrees, and gently push the skin back. Again, notice how I'm not at all scraping or touching the nail. I am just gently pushing the skin back. Now, the third habit that is secretly ruining your nails is typing with your nails, which again seems super random, but I tend to notice my clients who type a lot, let's say my clients who are secretaries, executive assistants, tend to get a lot of side breaks like this and this. And the reason why this keeps happening is because all that keyboard typing over time puts a lot of pressure on your nails, which eventually causes them to break at the sides and crack. But what I recommend doing instead is typing with the pads of your finger so your nails are not constantly exposed to this pressure. And the fourth habit that is secretly destroying your nails is not using nail growth oil consistently. I, of course, had a client once who was very unhappy with her nails. She was using every nail hardener and strengthener on Amazon, but her nails were still soft, weak, and peeling. And the reason why her nails kept breaking, even though she was using all these products, was she was missing the essential piece for growing her nails, which of course is nail growth oil. Just like plants need water every single day to thrive, your nails need nail growth oil at least once a day to grow. And without it, you're on the same exact track as this plant not getting water. So once my client ditched the nail hardeners and actually used nail growth oil consistently, her nails went from this to this. And let me show you exactly how to use this product. So you apply nail growth oil all the way from the base to the tip of your nails at least once a day for 15 seconds. It's as simple as that. And if you are interested in the nail growth oils I make for my clients, check the link in the description. Now, the fifth and final habit destroying your natural nails is washing dishes without gloves. And let me show you exactly how this damages your natural nails. Imagine for a second that your nails were just like this balloon, and every time this balloon was in water, it would swell, and when it was out of water, it would dry and shrivel. And for whatever reason, we decided to keep putting this balloon in and out of water, so it would swell and shrivel and swell and shrivel, and all the shape change would weaken the balloon and cause it to pop. And this is exactly what happens to your nails when they're constantly in and out of water when you're washing dishes without gloves. They swell and shrivel and swell and shrivel, and all the shape change weakens your nails and causes it to peel. So, what I recommend doing to prevent this is making sure you put dish gloves in all the places you clean so the minute you start cleaning, you don't forget to put them on. Now, making these changes will completely transform your nails as long as you're not accidentally doing these other things that will cause your nails to peel. And if you're curious what they are, check the video here.